In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute or unmute on Zoom. If you're in a Zoom meeting and need to quickly turn your microphone off or back on, the good news is that it's very simple. Knowing how to do this helps you avoid background noise when you're not speaking, and it also makes it easy to jump back into the conversation when you're ready. Once you're inside a Zoom meeting, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the meeting window. There you'll see a microphone icon with the label audio underneath it. This is the control you'll use to manage your microphone during the call. To mute yourself, click the microphone icon. When your audio is turned off, Zoom will usually show a red slash across the microphone icon. That visual indicator lets you know that your microphone is currently muted, which means other people in the meeting won't be able to hear you. If you want to speak again, just click the same icon one more time to unmute. When your microphone is back on, the red slash will disappear and you'll see the normal microphone icon. That means your audio is active again and others in the meeting can hear you. This is especially useful during group meetings, presentations, or classes where keeping your microphone muted when you're not talking can reduce distractions and make the meeting clearer for everyone. If you ever want to double check your status, just glance at that microphone icon in the bottom left corner. It gives you a quick visual confirmation of whether you're muted or unmuted. You can also use keyboard shortcuts if you want to do this even faster. On Windows, press Alt and A at the same time to toggle between mute and unmute. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and A together to do the same thing. These shortcuts are helpful if you need to react quickly, especially during a live conversation. So to recap, find the microphone icon in the bottom left corner of your Zoom meeting, click it to mute, and click it again to unmute. Or, if you prefer, use the keyboard shortcut for your device to switch your microphone on or off instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to mute or unmute on Zoom quickly and easily.